friends from the media, colleagues, and everyone joining us today. This morning's briefing will cover updates on DILG matters. And to provide clarity and official updates on this issue, we are joined by the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Secretary Juanito Victor Sirimulya, together with PNP Chief Jose Melencio Nartates. With that, to formally commence our briefing, may we now call on the SILG for his opening statement.
Good morning, and happy Mother's Day to everyone. Sorry for the late announcement. It's a Sunday, I know it's an effort. But we are here to clarify a few things. Number one, we do not have a red notice for General De La Rosa. This has been circulating. I have not seen a copy. I have no information of a copy. But I'm here to belie all rumors that there is a red notice. And that's clear. However, General Nartates I have given orders to General Nartates to resume the investigation regarding his previous actions as City Director of Davao and Regional Director of Davao Region. General Nartates will now explain.
Good morning to each and everyone. The Philippine National Police will be conducting, of course, investigation. This is a continuing one. Noong nakaraan, we have a Quadcom report with regards to EGK and other related incident. That would be the very basis, and other reports coming from various unit that we may pursue. So, the Philippine National Police through the CIDG will be giving a summons to identified personalities dun sa mga reports na yun. So that will be the effort of the Philippine National Police.